Hello, you naughty boys and girls out there in the world. Today we're going to talk about hickeys. For the occasions that is coming up this month in February, the month of love, is Valentine's Day. If you're basically going to have another individual technically sucking the blood vessels to clot inside of your body, if you're into that kind of kinky stuff, I'm going to help you become a flawless baby and get all of these bruise marks off your body. First tip, if you want to get these off naturally, you want to take a warm towel and rub it in circular motions, because technically it is a blood clot, or a warm toothbrush. You could just rub it in circular motions to get the blood flowing once more. So the first time in my life when I got a hickey was probably the only time that I did was with my ex-boyfriend, and I don't think it was pleasurable at all because he technically just like bit my skin. It hurt more than anything because I was literally being bitten and then having my flesh sucked. I was thinking, boy, what are you doing? Like, this is supposed to be enjoyable, not painful. If your situation goes the same way as mine, then girl, boy, you need to run for the hills because he ain't doing it right. This Valentine's Day or any occasion, maybe you're tonight, maybe you're going to the club this week and you're gonna meet a cute little boy or girl and you're gonna say, hey, you cutie, come home with me, and you're gonna end up having these bruises and you're gonna have to show up to work, show up to an interview, or go onto the pulpit in church like I will have to because I'm a worship leader. I don't want them to be seeing all of this because they're gonna be like, what does she do behind the scenes, you know? So if you want to know how to get rid of these hickeys, love bites, whatever you want to call it, stay tuned. Before we get into the video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that red button down below and click that bell to be notified of when I upload, so as soon as I upload, you'll see your phone go ding 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 ding. Lexine has uploaded a video and you can tune in and watch everything. Feel free to like, comment, and share with your grandparents. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Ooh. So your best friend is going to be color correctors. So here I have 4 color correctors. I have a pink one, a blue one, a green one, and an orange. Green is basically going to just neutralize redness. Orange is going to hide deep discoloration. Blue is going to naturally take away the orange effects in it. And lastly, pink is going to mask signs of fatigue. And technically, you were all laid up, getting all hickeyed up and stuff. So you're gonna need a lot of pink today, so let's get started. And after that, you're going to need a concealer and some foundation. First, want to go in with the orange. Green, so it can mask the redness. Or some of that. Some blue. Oh, no. Lastly, some pink. So let's move on to concealer. Some foundation to seal it all off. Okay, so after much blending, this is as far as I got. I wish you best of luck. Take my advice on the color correction. These tips and tricks are going to work for you and make you look innocent as you desire to be. Maybe it's the time you want to get your cherry popped, or you want to be popping the cherry. What do you guys think I'm talking about? I'm talking about soda. You know, like pulp, like British people say. Why would I ever say something rude? I would never do that. But on a serious note, if you're a younger one and you're not yet developed, but damn, this world is just going crazy and people that are younger than me are more experienced than I am. So just be safe, stay protected, slip some rubbers on. I've been there, done that, and girl, I can tell you I don't really see the point, but you know, if you're in that mood, in that sensuality, and it's getting known and all in all, just wear your battle scars with pride, or use Lexine's method on how to cover up hickeys. Alright guys, thank you for watching today. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you're gonna apply these literal products onto you when you get your battle scars from that love fest that you had, and all in all. And as always, love, Lexine.